Stephen and Julie, on behalf of JDRF, thank you so much for your continued support to help us find a cure, treat, and prevent type 1 diabetes. Last year, when you agreed to be corporate co-chairs of the walk, I was thrilled. I have had the pleasure of getting to know both of you for the past few years, and I have seen that your commitment to JDRF is 100%, no less. Stephen, thank you so much. You played such a huge part in getting Coca-Cola Oceanside involved with the walk, and because of that, Coca-Cola had the largest fundraising team in JDRF walk history. And Julie, thank you for orchestrating the relationship between AMPM, Coca-Cola, and JDRF. That partnership resulted in the most successful fundraising sneaker sales campaign that we have ever had in San Diego. Julie and Stephen, thank you so much for all you have done and all you continue to do for JDRF. Both of you truly deserve this award. Congratulations.